finally rained tonight. First time the air felt clean. Dust running down this old windshield. Same road staring back at me. I pray for something like mercy. God knows I prayed enough, but the sky can pour out all that grace and still not fix what love messed up. I almost called you without thinking, thumb shaking over your name. I said, damn, you love this moment. Then the truth hit me, things ain't the same. It said, bittersweet rain falling like a blessing that still burns. Everything we were, everything we planned, turning back to dirt. I'm standing right here in God's mercy, but I'm missing you the same. Yeah, that's the hell and the holy loving, learning how to smile through the pain. Your ghost still rides shotgun. Swear I hear you laugh sometimes. You're a summer I can't get back to, just a line I crossed in time. We built forever out of promises, carved our names in sand, but the tide came in without warning, and I couldn't make it stand. The rain running down this glass like tears I don't let fall. Funny how the things that save you still hurt the most of all. It's that bittersweet rain falling, heaven crying on my skin. Everything I held, everything I lost, hits me all again. I thank God for the love we had, even if it didn't stay. Yeah, that's the curse and the beauty of loving. You don't forget, you just learn the pain. Maybe the rain ain't here to heal me, maybe it's here to let me feel. 'Cause some goodbyes don't come with closure, they just show you what was real. If I had one more prayer tonight, I wouldn't ask for you to stay. I just asking for the strength to be okay. Yeah, that bittersweet rain falling, washing over everything. I thank heaven for the love we had, even for the ache it brings. I'll stand right here beneath the thunder, let it call me by my name. 'Cause that's the truth about real love, it breaks you, and you're grateful just the same. The rain keeps falling slow, and I finally let you go.